I don't really use the terminology that much. I'm really focused more on accounting because that's what I do as an accountant. I correlate the two together such that it makes sense. Because someone did ask me, well, can financial literacy make you rich? And I'm like, it can't necessarily make you rich, but it can have an impact on your ability to accumulate wealth. Um, Essentially, it is a skill that's needed, I feel, where accounting is the language of business, that to help you make informed and effective decisions. It influences how you just save money, how you invest, and also how you manage money. And I just feel like people need to understand that. Um, they need to understand how to budget effectively. I mean, that is what financial literacy says. But at the same time, when we're talking about financial literacy or being literate in financial, it's the same thing. In my videos and when I talk about accounting, but just please know that if you are literate in finances or your financial well being, then you are really counting your own back.